How to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again later on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again issue on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So if you are facing this kind of issue, you have to simply exit from TikTok and you have to open settings on your Android device. After that, you need to locate apps and select that. Access app management section and search for TikTok app. Then you have to move ahead to app info section of TikTok, where you have to select storage uses and clear all the caches of TikTok by tapping clear cache. Once done, you need to make sure that you have allowed all the app's permissions. If not, tap on the particular app and select allow. Similarly, you need to allow all the app permission like this and then check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not yet, you need to make sure that no VPN is connected on your TikTok device because it might create this kind of issues on TikTok. Once done, you need to update TikTok application. Outdated TikTok application creates different kinds of bugs, so head towards Play Store and search for TikTok. And then, if there is any updates available, select update and update it to the latest version. Once done, restart your device. Sometimes restarting your device can fix different issues. For that, hold the power button and swipe towards restart. And then your issues on TikTok will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.